Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 switch user option disappeared from Windows login screen. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows, click and expand current version, click and expand policies, click system. Create new DWord 32-bit value, named as hide fast user switching, change value data to 0. Restart system. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.